Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. So guys, today we're in the kitchen. I want to make chapatis. I want to make chapatis, chapoos. So, what do you use when you're making your chapatis? Do you use very cold water? Do you use lukewarm water? Do you use hot water? I've always been using lukewarm water, but today, guys, since I discovered that hot water, as in hot water, the one that you cannot mix with your bare hands, you have to use a wooden stake to mix. It does wonders on chapatis. So guys, I want to make chapatis today using hot water. Please join me and let's see how the chapatis will go. Will they be soft? That is one. Two, will they be layered? So guys, I always use this type of flour, but any other type of flour can do. This is what I use to make chapoos. It makes chapoos to have that taste, a very nice taste. And then it makes chapoos to have that nice smell. And also I use this to soften the chapoos. This is for softening, this is for cooking. So guys, today my cameraman is not around, so I'm just using these marks so that I can know where the camera goes up to. It is very tricky to shoot a video when alone. So this way I'll be able to know whether I have captured up to a point where you can see. Yes, guys, let's prepare our little bit of salt, and some sugar to taste. Let me add some salt so that I can be able to balance. Guys, our water is here. Very hot water. Very hot. See, it is very hot. So, I don't use any measurements, just guess. And it turns out perfectly because I know the quantity of chapoos I want to make. So guys, we mix sugar, salt, water. Maybe if you have hot milk, you can also add. For me, I'll add some hot cream. I have some hot cream. The water is very hot, guys, so I can't use my bare hands. I'm going to add my flour. I know how I measure. I'll cook up to this point. molding till we are comfortable with it. Well, it's very hot. At this point, I can use my bare hands because it has now cooled a bit. And with this, I'll use this one to soften. You can sprinkle some frost, but it will stop looking like it has a lot of oil. So guys, our dough is coming out nicely. It's no longer sticking on our bowl. We're going to cover for like 10 minutes. Cover for 10 minutes and come back so that we can continue.
A few moments later.
So guys, 10 minutes are over. Wow. See, our dough is now very soft. Prepare our chapoos. So we are done with the first round. So guys, we are done with our chapoos. Let us see how they are. See guys, see for yourself, see for yourself, see for yourself. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you have enjoyed, and I hope you have liked my chapoos. See the way they're nice. See the way they're nice. See you in my next video. Bye.